this has been something that people have actually managed to find out properly, because you're right in regards to they're probably going to clam up in and not be able to use that type of system again to get things out. But how did the UAPTF exactly get formed? Was it due to compounding pressure that made people feel they had to actually create this response team, or was it actually internally people that were for pushing this further down the line? I don't know how far TTSA was involved in creating the connecting network that formed the UAPTF, but I'm just curious whether you guys think it was the government acting on pressure or people within the government acting on a sense of duty.
I don't think people understand how badly all sorts of people inside the United States Navy decided bullshit. They went close to rogue, and that's one of the reasons the UAPTF is kind of being run out of O&I. Right. The Navy is pissed off at things running around at ridiculous speeds under the water, and by no known physics can anything move through an incompressible fluid like they observe, and they're tired of it.